Hello everyone, welcome to you all in my YouTube channel. So in this video I'm going to show my Shutterstock contributor earning proof of March month. So first of all I'm going to inside my dashboard, that is submit.shutterstock.com. Okay, then after that I'm just going to click in the unpaid earnings. Okay, then after that it will take in my this option. Then after that I'm going to click in the March. Okay, so now we can see here is my earning proof of Shutterstock of 2023 March month. I have total how many sales? 12 sales, and I earned only $1.50. Okay, so this is not a good amount of money, but this is the passive income, so that's why it's okay for me. Okay, so I have total 12 sales on the month of March 2023, and I got only $1.50. And if you want to also earn money from Shutterstock, you can sign up from the link which is given in the video description, and that will help me to create more stock photography related videos on this YouTube channel. Open that to get few ideas. Thank you so much.